That's the old church right there.
This is where I lost my slipper.
Huh?
This is where I lost my slipper. How old is this church?
It's like 1700 or 1800s. That's the time of like Manuel Quezon. I don't understand. It becomes one way na lang.
Mom, this is school. Mom, you know my classmates keep on saying my name like this.
What?
They keep on saying Eri Manuel El Quezon. Mom, is it L or A?
A.
Oh, A.
Oh no, El Quezon.
Quezon. And they keep on saying
Quezon.
Eri Manuel El Quezon City.
Oh yeah.
Quezon? Well, why do some people, like, let's say they get married, right?
Yeah.
So your last name Sabade, they do Reggie Mamela, Almonte Abade, then a dash line.
Yeah, we can do that.
Do you have to sign paperwork in order to do
No.
that or no?
No, but you can do it like that. I want to see, should I go straight?
No.
Oh, this is not the right way, I think.
Why
I should have go that way.
Why did you the left?
Because I think that the road becomes two-way. And it was one way earlier. This person should have scoot a little inner, further. Ah, okay. So if I went that way, that's the same. Okay. Ah, so that's the Pulong Bulo right there. What is this? Save Wise Supermarket. You know, this sucks in a big city. There's no parking.
So if my breast stop growing right now, that means my height will stop growing.
Possibly.
Or
But it's okay if you grow more.
I don't want to grow. It's so awkward to be called as a woman. Like to bend down to just talk to someone. Wow!
What?
Amazing. Shark.
The car? You see it?
Yeah,
I was too busy. My brain is
blue car.
busy. Where are we? We're here. I hope they have parking. Please have parking for the lions. Come on, are you going or what?
Can we go to McDonald's after? Mom, can we go to McDonald's? Okay, that's a doctor if I'm gonna stop growing right now.
Okay.
I want or to when grow. Do I stop growing?
Okay.
Mom, can I grow until 5? I mean.
gonna be taller than you. Huh, sana may parking.
There is a lot.
I was wrong when I hurt
There's
you.
parking.
Did you have to hurt
Oh,
me
there's parking
too?
right there.
I know. Someone is parking.
Mary Manuel El Quezon City.
City.
Quezon City.
He needs to park more. I wanna park over there.
Look at the cats.
Oh, he's not finished yet.
Well, do you think having cats is more of a hassle?
The
Having
same.
cats it's like more easier. No, I think no, because cats are very feisty.
Good. Huh? Should we park there? No, I wanna park over there.
Plus, you know, cats whenever they scratch you, it's like it's more painful than dogs.
Yeah.
Or when they bite you. Oh, there was parking over there. Why did you do that? Now we need to walk more.
Park over there.
You can't park here.
I know. I'm gonna. I. You need to help me. Everyone, help your mommy.
This is the driver. Where are you going? This is me.
They park right there, or it's too stiff.
You can go there.
Huh? No, I'm gonna go park in the other side.
No, you can go there.
Where?
You're in line.
Huh? I was in line?
Yeah.
Okay. So I should go back? You know, you guys should help me. Ay, ay,
Don't tell me
ay,
to go back.
ay.
Mama, if I put a fingerprint on the X-ray, will I ruin it?
Yeah,
Oh,
I need to go straight, right? Or I'm straight already.
Biberon's not straight. You're straight. No, you're straight. That's why you have 3 children. Mom, you're straight.
Huh?
You're straight already. You're making it not straight anymore. Yeah, like you, Biberon, you're not straight.
Be nice.
Then it would be nice.
Are we good?
Yes. Wait, back, 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 boys. Back. Stop. Wait, you need to hit the yellow bumpy. Let's see.
you're you're videoing your mommy?
And me.
Ay, be careful with your fingers.
Gang. Don't stop.
Okay.
Gang.
We need to have the kuan, the paperworks. We're here at the
Gang.
clinics
Let me get,
parking.
I feel like